Hi friends, now I'm going to tell you how to install Ubuntu OS in a VirtualBox in a Windows installed machine. For that, what are the system requirements and software requirements needed in your system? I will show that. You need to have Oracle VirtualBox Manager in your machine. It needs to be installed, and Ubuntu ISO image based on the version of Ubuntu OS. You need to have that ISO image file, and the basic system requirements are minimum 1 GB RAM and 10 GB hard disk. To install a Oracle VirtualBox Manager, just come to open a browser and type VirtualBox for Windows 10 64-bit. It may change based on your Windows version and OS version. Just click this download Oracle VM and click this Windows host. It will start downloading. Since I have already downloaded, I am going to cancel this one and open the one which I have already installed in my machine. If I double click that software, it will show this VirtualBox tab and ask me to click next. I have already installed, so only it's asked me to repair or remove. If you are installing in a new first time, it will ask you to click the next further and click yes to install, and also ask you to check the text box or checkbox to create a desktop icon, menu icon and apps icon, etc. If you done everything, it will ask you to click finish button like this. Once you click finish, it will automatically open a VirtualBox which I have installed in your system. Once VirtualBox getting installed, you need to click this new. You need to select the name for the OS which you are going to install. I am going to give my name. And the type of the OS is Linux, and I am going to choose the Ubuntu 64-bit version because I am having ISO image of Ubuntu 17.04, which is a 64-bit. And click next and choose the RAM size. Here I am going to choose a RAM of 2 GB. 2048 is the value I am going to give, and click next. And I am going to create a new virtual hard disk now. And here I am going to select a VirtualBox disk image and click next. And then in this screen you need to select a dynamically allocated and click next. Here I am going to give the hard disk size of the OS which I am going to install. Since I'm going to use only 10 GB of the my Windows system hard disk for this Ubuntu installation, so I am giving 10 GB here, and I am going to click create. Once I click create, it automatically create a machine in which I can able to install that Ubuntu ISO image. This Google Ubuntu is not a in Ubuntu installed machine, it's just a machine in which you can install Ubuntu. After that I need to click start button. It will start, and it will show select startup disk. At the startup you need to select that Ubuntu version which present in your machine. For me I have already selected this one, so it display here. If it is not selected already, you need to click this folder icon and you need to select this Ubuntu and click start. Once you click start, it will automatically start installing the Ubuntu OS in the VirtualBox manager you have created. After some time, it will ask you to either try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. If you see the screen, you need to select install Ubuntu here.